Metals, paints, plastics, and more in need of attention? Reach for the one that is recommended time and time again by leading manufacturers, Flitz Polish. Apply a thin light coating onto the surface and wipe or buff off. It's just that quick and easy to restore your finishes. The EcoSafe USDA certified specially formulated polish works on finishes such as stainless steel, brass, copper, aluminum, anodized aluminum, painted surfaces, plastics, as well as others. Excellent on dull and worn out finishes, removing graffiti, rust, and so much more. Plus seals and protects your finishes for months to come. Bring your finishes back to life today with Flitz. Stubborn watermarks, calcium and lime buildup, makeup residue, and hairspray on your surfaces? Flitz Granite Marble Cleaner to the rescue. Apply a light coating onto the surface and wipe off. It's just that easy. Recommended for surfaces such as granite, marble, corian, formica, ceramic tile, plus many more. Best of all, the 100% eco-friendly formula is non-toxic. Clean up those surfaces today with the Flitz Granite Marble Cleaner. Looking to keep those surfaces free of water spots, mineral deposits, food stains, and more? Prevent those issues today with a Flitz Granite Wax Plus. Spray on and wipe off. It's just that fast and easy to give your surfaces a protection and like-new appearance they need. Specially formulated for finishes such as granite, marble, corian, formica, ceramic tile, and so much more. Bring your surfaces back to life today with a Flitz Granite Wax Plus. Having issues with tarnish, rust, or corrosion? Flitz has the answer to solve those issues and more with the Instant Brass and Copper Tarnish Remover. Spray on and rinse off. It's just that quick and easy. Stop wasting your time scrubbing and pick up the Instant Brass and Copper Tarnish Remover today. Are you having issues with stubborn stains caused by calcium, limescale, hard water deposits, rust, or soap scum? Flitz has the answer to solve those problems and more with the Instant Calcium Lime Rust Remover. Spray on the area and wait up to a minute and rinse with water. It's just that easy to remove those stains. The 100% eco-friendly cleaner is specially formulated to be safe on finishes such as chrome, brass, copper, stainless steel, porcelain, and more. Speed up your cleaning time today with the Flitz Instant Calcium Lime Rust Remover. Having issues with seeing streaks and fingerprints from your current stainless steel cleaner? Problem solved with the Flitz Stainless Steel and Chrome Cleaner. Quickly and easy to remove water spots, fingerprints, soap residue, dirt, and more with a premium water-based formula. Spray onto your surfaces and wipe off with a soft cloth for a streak-free finish. Don't waste your time going over your surfaces again and again with those oil-based and aerosol cleaners. Grab the Flitz Stainless Steel and Chrome Cleaner today. Having a problem with stainless steel or chrome finishes looking just plain wore out? Bring back the luster and shine today with the Flitz Stainless Steel and Chrome Polish. Spray on the eco-friendly water-based polish and wipe off. It's just that easy to get a streak-free protective finish. Leave dust, dirt, water spots, fingerprints, and more a thing of the past and grab the Flitz Stainless Steel and Chrome Polish today. Looking to cut your polishing and cleaning time down in half? Look no further. Flitz has the answer with the Big Blue Buff Ball. Attached to a cordless or corded drill, apply the Flitz polish or cleaner onto the surface and let the polishing fingers do all the work. The patent self-cooling design is safe for all surfaces and can be washed and used over and over for years to come. Work smarter, not harder, and grab the Flitz Buff Ball today. Looking to keep your finishes looking their best without having to spend a lot of time doing it? Flitz has you covered with our new sealant, a specially formulated hydrophobic spray designed to protect and enhance painted surfaces, fiberglass, all metals, glass, plastics, marble, granite, man-made surfaces, and more. Just spray and wipe with a clean soft microfiber and wipe off. It's just that quick and easy. And unlike wax, there's no drying time required, so you'll be done in minutes. Protect your finishes against salt corrosion, harmful UV rays, water and bug stains, bird droppings, yellowing of headlights, and so much more. Plus, best of all, this lasts, giving you up to a year's worth of protection with one just easy application. Stop spending all that time waxing and cleaning and pick up a bottle of Flitz Sealant today. Are you sick of spending extra time drying your finishes? Well, look no further. Flitz has you covered with Express Grande Drying Towel. Just apply to your surface and wipe off. It's just that easy to get a streak-free finish in seconds. The unique dual-sided synthetic design holds 5 times its weight in water, making quick work of those tough jobs. And when it comes to size, the Express Grande is the big boy on the block with a large 4 square feet of water absorption power. easily outperforming towels, microfiber cloths, chamois, and other synthetic drying towels on the market today. Excellent on cars, trucks, boats, household applications, and even pets. Plus, with its excellent cooling properties, it can even be used as a cooling towel for those hot days and sporting events. The Grande is also washable and reusable for years worth of pickup and cooling power. If the cloth ever dries out, just add water. It's just that easy to bring the Grande back to life. Speed up your drying time and pick up a Flitz Express Grande drying towel today. Are you sick of those bargain basement microfibers that just don't hold up or work like they're supposed to? Look no further. Flitz has you covered with our thick and thirsty microfiber polishing cloth. Quickly and easy to remove dust, dirt, fingerprints, and more with especially designed wedge-shaped fibers. Excellent wet or dry, and best of all, they're washable and reusable up to 500 times. Toss those old microfibers away today and grab the thick and thirsty microfiber polishing cloth.